What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a new video. A bunch of people telling me in the comments I gotta show the profits, I gotta show everything on how the bot works and the wallet after the successful arbitrage trades. So I'm doing this right now. Welcome to NanoArb, high-speed arbitrage built for Solana and Ethereum. NanoArb scans multiple dexes in real life and executes trades in milliseconds to capture price differences. So let's go ahead and I just loaded up this wallet with 7 Sol for the sake of this tutorial. We're gonna go ahead and start now. We're gonna import our private key right here, import our Solana wallet. Basically, you can't put your public key in here. You need to put your private key so the bot has access to the wallet. Without access to the wallet, the bot can't perform these arbitrage trades and can't execute these arbitrage trades and look for arbitrage opportunities. So yeah, without access, it can't do anything. So we're gonna go ahead and import our Solana private key, just like this. I just pasted my Solana private key right here. And we're gonna wait a little bit until the bot imports our wallet and everything. And there we go. So wallet imported successfully. You can now import the other chain or activate NanoArb. Activate the bot like this. Look for arbitrage opportunities and it's gonna come back to us. There we go. Field. It doesn't take any much. It took 1 minute to find the first arbitrage trade. It went with 3 Sol and everything. And yeah, and there we go. Another 2 arbitrage executes. Now it's 5 total arbitrage trades and 12 or 13 dollars in profit. 30 p.m. Now it's 5:35. So 5 minutes and we made 30 bucks. That's a W for me. I will take that any day of the week and you guys should too, actually. So basically this bot takes like few fees here and there, but the profits are the profits actually. It doesn't take the fees from your money, it actually takes it from the profits. So that's how it's operating and that's how they keep on updating it and everything. There we go. We're at 35 bucks right now. Bucks in these 12 arbitrage trades. So another one. We're at 44 bucks right now. It's pretty cool for like let it run for almost 10 minutes. Almost 50 bucks on 10 minutes, like on a consistent scale. It's so much better than trading right now with market condition and everything. There we go. We're at like almost 60 bucks. Last arbitrage trade was massive. We won 5 bucks on that. So yeah, that's pretty cool. We started with 7 Sol and we have 7.64. So basically it's pretty cool. Don't you guys think? Just gonna see if the profits are in my wallet. And yeah, there we go. as I told you guys, it works. This bot is the best arbitrage bot at the moment. We even have more than what it shows. So yeah, I don't know what to say, but as you guys see, it's pretty profitable. So there we go, and go try it for yourself. Use this link. It's gonna be on the description below. I'll see you guys in the next video, and hope you guys like enjoyed this long tutorial. And yeah, I hope you guys make profits, and see you on a new video.